Meron ba kayong naipong pera na nakatago lang sa bahay nyo or nakatabi lang sa bangko na gusto nyong kumita ng malaking interest? Tamang-tama ang video na to para sa'yo. Hello guys! In this video, magpo-provide kami ng 8 digital banks na nagbibigay ng malaking interest rates. Aware tayo na ang interest rates ng traditional banks ay around 0.125% lang, while yung digital banks nag-range siya ng 2.6% to 15% interest rates per annum. Hindi na nakakasapat sa atin yung interest rates na binibigay ng traditional banks dahil sobrang taas ng inflation rate dito sa Pilipinas. Nowadays guys, sobrang mahal ng mga bilihin, kaya kailangan nating mag-isip ng passive income. Take note lang guys, yung top 8 na ibibigay namin na digital banks ay based lamang sa aming opinion and personal experience. For me, ang top 8 digital bank is CIMB. It is a Malaysian universal bank based in Kuala Lumpur and nagpo-provide sila ng 2.6 interest rates per annum up to 15% interest rate per annum. Take note lang guys na yung base interest talaga nila is 2.6% per annum and meron silang promotion right now wherein kailangan mong mapataas ng 50,000 pesos yung average daily balance nyo para maka-earn kayo ng up to 15%. And yung CIMB pala guys, yung interest crediting niya is monthly. Next is top 7 digital bank, and that's Maya Bank. It is one of the leading digital banks in the Philippines and it was launched back in 2022 by PayMaya. And dati rin siyang smart money. Ang base interest rate ng Maya Bank is 3.5% per annum. And kung mahilig kayo sa mga task and activities and mahilig rin kayong mag-purchase, tamang-tama sa inyo ang Maya Bank dahil kada may makukomplete kayong task, magkakaroon kayo ng chance to earn up to 15% interest rate per annum. And dito sa Maya Bank guys, daily ang crediting ng interest. Next guys is yung top 6 digital bank which is Uno Bank. It focuses on high return and seamless digital banking. Dito sa Uno Bank guys, yung base interest rate per annum nila is 3.5%. Pero before guys, yung interest rate nila is 4.25%. Next is top 5 digital bank which is Union Digital. It is a fully digital bank operating as subsidiary of Union Bank of the Philippines. Ang interest rate per annum sa Union Digital is nakadepende sa kung magkano yung ide-deposit nyo sa kanila. If ever, 5 million below, 3% interest rate per annum. However, if yung savings nyo or yung ida-deposit nyo sa kanila is 5 million above, pwede kayong mag-earn ng 4% per annum. And ang crediting ng interest rate dito sa Union Digital is monthly. Ang top 4 digital bank natin is GoTyme. It is a digital bank that was launched in 2022 in partnership of Gokongwei Group and Singapore-based banking company named TimeBank. And Gokongwei Group guys, sila yung may-ari ng Robinsons Mall and meron silang mga kiosk wherein pwede kayong magpa-print ng physical card. Ang pagkakaalam ko rin sa GoTyme guys, pwede kayong mag-earn ng points every time na gagamitin nyo yung card sa mga partner merchants. Yung interest rate per annum naman guys ng GoTyme is 4% per annum and yung crediting naman ng interest guys is monthly. Ang top 3 digital bank is SeaBank. Dati siyang Bangko Laguna Incorporated which is now owned by SeaBank. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys, SeaBank is the parent company of Shopee. Yung interest rate per annum guys, nakadepende siya sa kung magkano yung nakadeposit ninyo kay SeaBank. If yung deposit nyo is up to 400,000, pwede kayong mag-earn ng 4% interest rate per annum. Pero, if 400,000 and above, mag-earn lang kayo ng 3% per annum. So, for example, yung nakadeposit ninyo is 500,000. yung 400,000 is mag-earn siya ng 4% per annum, while yung excess nung 400,000, mag-earn na lang kayo ng 3% per annum. Ganon siya mag-work kay SeaBank. If you wanna try SeaBank, simply download it from your phone and you will earn 50 pesos as a reward pag ginamit ninyo yung referral code namin na ipa-flash namin dito sa screen. And for the mechanics guys, you just need to deposit 1,000 pesos and maintain it for at least 3 days. Ang top 2 digital bank is Discartec. It is a digital bank developed by RCBC and it was launched in 2020 during the pandemic. Ang Discartec guys is merong 4.88% interest rate per annum and daily ang crediting ng interest. Ang maganda dito kay Discartec guys is sobrang user-friendly ng app nila and this is the first application wherein merong Taglish and Cebuano version. Last but not the least is yung top 1 digital banking platform natin, which is Ownbank. It is a digital banking platform of Rural Bank of Cavite City Incorporated, which was launched back in 2021. Meron silang regular time deposit account and Own It account. Own It account guys, it is a flexible savings account wherein you can earn up to 5% interest rate per annum na dating 6% interest rate per annum. And yung isa naman nila guys is yung time deposit account wherein you can earn up to 6.5 interest rate per annum with terms of up to 1 year. Ang Ownbank ay isa sa may pinakamataas na interest rate per annum sa mga digital banks out there. And kung interested kayo to try Ownbank, simply download it from your phone and you will earn 300,000 trial bonus points which is equivalent to 50 pesos kapag ginamit nyo yung referral code namin na ipa-flash namin dito sa screen. And since naibigay ko na yung top 8 digital banks, ipoprovide ko naman kung ano yung mga digital banks na ginagamit ko personally. Unang-una na dito is yung Maya Bank. Since mahilig akong mag-complete ng mga task and every completed task na dadagdagan yung interest rates per annum ko, ang kagandahan sa app nila guys is meron siyang additional features like pwede kayong bumili ng cryptocurrency, pwede rin kayong mag-bills payment, and bumili rin kayo ng load. If gusto nyo itry yung Maya Bank guys, meron kaming referral code na ipa-flash na lang ulit namin dito sa screen. Ang second na digital bank na personally kong ginagamit is SeaBank since meron siyang 15 free interbank transfers weekly. And ang kagandahan kasi dito is gamit na gamit ko siya since sa traditional bank guys, meron na siyang additional fee for InstaPay. Samantalang dito kay SeaBank is meron akong allowed na 15 transfers na free. Weekly yon guys. And meron din kasi yung application nila na additional feature like bills payment and pwede rin kayong mag-purchase ng load. And ang isa sa napakaganda pa kay SeaBank guys is meron silang rebates. Like for example, kapag maglo-load kayo, merong 3% off. Pag magbabayad kayo ng bills ng credit card, meron siyang 10 pesos cashback. And kapag naman gagamitin nyo siya as mode of payment kay Shopee, meron din siyang cashback or rebates guys. Kaya gamit na gamit ko talaga yung SeaBank since mahilig rin akong mag-shopping kay Shopee. And yan yung ginagamit kong mode of payment kasi sayang din naman yung rebates na makukuha ko. On top of those things na nabanggit ko, meron pa siyang 4% per annum na interest rates. So, napakaganda talaga ng benefit ng SeaBank. If you're interested to try SeaBank, ipa-flash na lang ulit namin sa screen yung referral code para matry nyo na rin and ma-experience nyo yung benefits na pinaprovide ni SeaBank sa mga users niya. Last but not the least is Ownbank. And kagandahan dito guys is meron siyang unlimited interbank transfer. So napakalaking benefit niyan sa mga tao na mahilig talagang mag-bank transfer or mag-InstaPay. On top of that, isa rin siya sa may pinakamataas na interest rate per annum which is 5% before 6% interest rate per annum siya. when it comes to their application, hindi pa siya fully developed compared dun sa dalawa kong na-mention na digital bank since wala pa siyang option for cryptocurrency buying, for bills payment, para maka-purchase ng load. So, wala pa siya sa Own It Bank. But overall guys, user-friendly rin naman yung application nila and napakaganda rin namang gamitin. And ang kagandahan kay Own Bank guys is daily yung crediting ng interest niya. And if you want to try Own Bank, you can simply download it from your phone and you will earn 300,000 trial bonus which is equivalent to 50 pesos kapag ginamit nyo yung referral code namin na ipa-flash ulit namin sa screen. At yun yung mga commonly used digital banks namin. Take note guys, based from our research, lahat ng nabanggit namin na digital banks is BSP regulated and PDIC insured up to 500,000 pesos. Kaya ang may i-recommend ko sa inyo is i-diversify ninyo yung pera ninyo sa iba't ibang digital banks. And another information guys, yung mga nabanggit ko na interest rate per annum, yun ay gross interest rate pa lang. And babawasan pa siya ng 20% withholding tax. Paano nga ba siya nag-work? For example, nag-deposit tayo ng 100,000 pesos and meron siyang 4% interest rate per annum. So, yung gross interest rate niya is 4,000 pesos per annum. And babawasan pa natin siya ng 20% withholding tax. So, yung 20% nung 4,000 pesos is 800 pesos. So, instead of 4,000 yung makukuha ninyo na interest, magiging 3,200 pesos na lang siya dahil sa withholding tax. Ganun siya nag-work, guys. Kaya kung meron pa kayong digital bank na gusto nyong i-review namin, feel free to comment below para magawa namin ng video. At sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa aming channel, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga videos. That's it for today. Bye!